Please be on to everyone. It is Safe Jamil as usual. Our topic today is about the determinations in life. I always used to hear people are saying, I can't do it because I'm too young to see beyond. I can't do it because I'm too old for a future to hold. I can't do it because it may or may not be better. I can't do it because I don't want people to laugh at me. I can't do it because the person that has done it is much better than me. I can't do it because I'm feeling a failure of it. I can't do it because my time, my energy may not allow me to do it. This is what I used to hear many people are saying, and I keep it, and are still on this position that you can't do it. But before I go further, let's look at the word impossible itself. So you see, even if you look at this word impossible, when you split it, you split I am and then possible. When you are going to spell it, it will show you I am possible in pronunciation. So that means even the impossible is saying I am possible. Then why you think you can't do it? Why you think it's impossible for you to do it? I imagine that. Let me give you one story that has happened to me some years back. In 2016, I joined my IJMB program on study mechanical engineering. So, when I'm in the process of registration, I'm filling the courses that I'm going to study as a mechanical engineering student. Then I failed to write the courses that are supposed to be. Means that I'm going to write mathematics, chemistry, physics. Then I write biology, chemistry, physics. So when I go to the interview, there is one doctor we have, and the interviewer, he asked me, are you not going to study engineering? I said yes. He said, but why did you write biology, chemistry, physics? Where is mathematics? And I told him that, oh doctor, I can't do mathematics because I'm not good in it, and maybe I'm thinking that it will fail me. He said, but why? How can you study physics while 75% of physics is mathematics, and you don't have mathematics? He said, let me tell you one thing, that believe in yourself that there's nothing impossible in life. Nothing impossible in life is just a matter of determination. He said, put this in your mind that whatever you want to do it, unless you put in your mind that you can do it. Think about your life, think about the heroes in the world. Whoever you see become a popular or a successful person in life, he keeps determining. He put in his mind that there's nothing impossible in his life. He keeps in his mind that for how long it takes, there's nothing can stop him from reaching his desire. So he said, put this in your mind. I said, okay. Then he changed the process. So after I started attending the lectures, the first time I see there's, I remember it is algebra. Algebra is my first course lecture that I have attended. So the way I see the teacher is teaching is like imagination. It's like something that may not be possible. When I return back, my friend already asked me that which course I'm feeling. I told him I'm feeling mathematics, chemistry, physics. He said, what? Are you in your sense you put these courses? Please, you can't do it. You are dead. You are going to study mathematics, chemistry, physics on IGM. He said you are dead. Then after I attended the lecture, I'm starting seeing that it's like imagination. I can't do it. So when I returned back, I asked my elder brother that, please brother, can you help me? I can't do this course. I want to change. I see like the way they are teaching, I can't do it. I don't think I will have a good mark, a great mark. So he told me that please put this in your mind that there's nothing impossible in life. You can do it. You have your brain, you have your sense. Why don't you think you can do it? You have anything. You have hand, legs. You have your feet. You have your mouth. You have your eyes. So why don't you think that it is impossible to you? So please let me tell you, there is nothing impossible in life. It's just the matter of determination. When you keep determined, you can do it. He said, I will help you to provide one of my friends. She will offer a tutorial for you. Maybe when you return back from the college, he may teach you a little. I said, okay. Then I keep attending. So when I go back to resume back to the school, I have one of my colleagues telling me that please, even if you didn't understand, I know you have a problem of understanding now, but keep going. Don't hesitate. Don't feel that you can't do it. Just keep going. I said, okay. Then I keep attending little by little. I didn't understand. I understanding a little. At the end of the day, I found that there is nothing impossible. I confirmed this topic, this sentence. Then I started understanding a little. I'm feeling that nothing impossible. I can do it. So, even though in the school I failed to pass the final exam, but I joined another college to study my diploma in mathematics education. So when I'm in that college, I feel I'm seeing like something it's not difficult for me because I already have the background in that college. It guides me many things, how to take a letter, how to do many things regarding to the study. I will show you in a nutshell. I will cut the story in a nutshell. In that college, I graduated with the best class student in that year, and even take a gift as the best graduating student. So the reason why I give you this story is that I want to show you that there is nothing impossible in life. It's just when you put it, it is impossible for you, then this is why it will be impossible for you. But when you put it that it is not possible, it is possible for you to do it, I don't think it will be impossible for you. You can do it. Just be patient and endeavor. Last time I spoke about patience, so keep patient, keep endeavor, keep coming. There's one motivational speaker who said, fail 7 times, wake up 8 times. He gave a story of one person who had the experiment of 1,000 experiments. He said, but this experiment which is failing, he said this experiment is a light goal. It's a light bulb. He said every one step of this experiment is one step that closing him to success. So also it is you. When you keep determined, you keep coming, you can do it. There's nothing impossible in life. Just keep praying, keep determined, keep struggle, keep going. God will be with you. Thanks for watching. Barkan mu dai. Mun yi magana akan abin da ya shafi babu abin da ba zai iya yiwa a rayuwa ba. Sai dai idan ba a jarraba shi ba ko ba a cimma sarin cewa za a yi shi babu shi. Kuma menene idan ka jarraba cewa za ka iya shi kansa impossible din kalmar impossible ta ba zai yi ba idan kai splitting din ta kararraba ta za ga da kalmar ta kuma ma I am possible in pronunciation a wajen furta. So that means abin da mutum ya sa a ran shi zai yi babu abin da zai gagara sai dai kawai wanda ba a jarraba shi ba ko an sanin cewa ba za a iya shi ba. Amma in dai an ce za a yi shi din to za a yi shi, sai dai a jure, a yi haƙuri kuma a jira lokaci. Wannan shine a takaice na bamu labari na karatun da na fara a makaranta nake ganin ba zai yiwu ba, a ƙarshe kuma karatun ya zama ya yiwu kuma na zo na samu nasara wadda ban yi tsammani saboda ci gaba da jarrabawa da sa ran cewa zai yiwu. So kamar haka ne duk wanda ya sa ran cewa zai cimma nasara abu zai cin masa, sai dai kawai ya jure, ya dage kuma ya ci gaba da tafiya kar ya gaji. Barkanmu da sauraro.